What's up guys, this is Brandon. I'm going to be cutting a flat top on him today. I am Fern the Barber. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. The first thing I'm going to be doing is create a baseline or a guideline all the way around his head. This is going to help create balance, and this is also going to be the part where you can determine if you want to do a high, medium, or low fade. Now I'm going to come in with my Babyliss Pro Foil FX foil shaver to bald out all the hair underneath that trimmer line. These are my Keymi clippers, the one with the lever. This is what I do all my blending with. I'm going to open it up, go above where I left off it with my trimmers, the width of a finger. Closing my clipper halfway, I'm going to start to blend down. As soon as I hear the hair cut, that's when I know when I need to flare off of the head shape. Next, I'm going to close my clipper all the way, working that bottom line using a zigzag up and down motion. Now I'm going to repeat the steps with my half guard. Open it up, go up the width of a finger and create a new guideline. Closing my lever halfway, working my way down until the lever is all the way closed, getting rid of that last guideline on the bottom. Next, I'm going to put my one guard on, open it up, go above where I left off at with my half guard open, the width of a finger, and create a new guideline. Close my lever halfway and start to blend down. Closing the lever all the way, working that bottom line with the corner of my blade in that zigzag up and down motion. The last guard I will use is my 1.5 guard. Open my lever, create a new guideline going above where I left off at with my one guard, the width of a finger. Now I'm going to close it halfway and start to blend down. Now I'll close the lever all the way and work that bottom line, creating that gradient from light to dark. This will be the last guard that I use for the fade. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side of the head, working from no guard all the way up until I get to my 1.5 guard. I will start to freehand the top of his head, starting on the sides, working the shape from the outside in, and just paying attention to the silhouette. Getting eye level with my machine for the top, I will now start to freehand and create the shape of the box. I'm going to refine it more with my shears just to make sure that it's nice and square. For the lineup, I'm going to start from the front center, working my way out towards the corner to create symmetry and balance. After I have my outline established, I will now come in with my blade slip, which is the clear shave detailer, and outline and refine that line. Removing any loose hairs with the talc powder, I will now start to shave the back of Brandon's neck. The product that I'm going to be using is my Maverick Shave Cream. It's moisturizing and softening. I will apply it straight out of the tube directly on his neck and start the shave. When shaving the neck, just being aware of any moles, skin tags, things like that. Brandon had a little one right there, as you can see. I just went around it. Another key note is just working clean, trying to keep my thumb that's not holding the razor dry so that way it's easier to stretch the skin. Next, just wiping off any excess shaving cream, I'm now going to come in with my cooling aftershave that's hydrating and soothing and apply it over the skin where I shaved. Next, for styling product is going to be the original pomade. It has that medium hold and natural shine, not too much, just to basically pat the shape into place and give his hair a little bit of shine. After I style the hair, I will now remove any excess little loose hairs over the ears and forehead, just brushing it off with my talc and neck duster. After, I will come in with my lint roller and apply it on the shirt, and just to get rid of any of those loose sticky hairs that can cause itchiness after the client is finished with the haircut. But there's the end result. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Peace.